Hi there, high fashion doll lovers. If you've been returning back to this channel, welcome back. And if this is your first time on my channel, hola, I am just Christopher. Now, before I get into today's reaction unboxing video, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification. These videos do come out a little random. Also, please make sure to like, comment, and share. Let's keep the algorithm going, but also let's keep on sharing the joy to all of our other fashion doll lovers. Because there's a lot of us, so we should just, really take over the world. Just saying. Okay, so there's like so much anxiety and stress, not about today's reaction, but about everything happening with like the integrity shipping, that I'm just happy to be able to do this. There was so much delays with this particular doll, which was weird, but at the same time, well, it's 2020, everything is weird. So not really surprised, a little saddened by this and that all the other things that are happening. But hey, the positive here is we are going to keep on moving. So you can already tell by the photo, I am unboxing and reacting to Miss Anniversary Poppy Parker. I just realized I didn't take her out of the box as she came in. One second. Ooh, that was a lot of movement. Oh. What is this? It's so funny. I've actually never not had the doll out of the box that Integrity sends it in. I usually take her out of the shipper. But today didn't, and then there's a little something extra. So let's, I guess, take care of this first. So, I don't know if the doll doesn't come with a stand, but there was a stand. Ow. And available. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna leave that right there. So here it is. Making a lot of noise in the background. Miss Anniversary Kiss Poppy Parker, the brunette. Now, I gotta keep it 100 with you. There was a time in my life when I was looking for the best or most perfect Poppy Parker that was African American. That was a goal of mine. I really wanted it. And when I saw the photos for this doll, I thought, she might be the closest thing I get to one. And the reason why I say the closest thing I get to one is, as you already know, I feel like I've been saying it a lot lately, I'm a new collector. And in the time that I've been collecting a lot of the Poppy Parkers that are African American, A, there's not that many, and B, most of the ones that have come out, the screening to me have always been off. It's either too over the top or just awkward. And I felt with this Poppy Parker, it was a little bit more muted, but when you compare her, and you gotta compare because, well, you're getting variations of the same thing. The blonde had a more natural screening, while the African American one, the lip color seemed off. The gray eyeshadow just seemed off. It just really didn't seem as natural. It seemed a little forced. So I will be completely honest, and if you've been to my channel, we keep it real around here. I really purchased this doll for the outfit, and I'm sure a lot of you are like, but the dress was nothing special. See, I somewhat agree, but I still wanted to play with it. And I have to also be honest, oh my god, I stopped what I was doing. It was the coat and the shopping bags, guys. I have an obsession with coats and shopping bags. I have an obsession with coats in my own personal life. I think in my mind I have an obsession with purses, but I actually don't own that many. So, keeping it 100, I bought this doll for the clothes. So I will be showing her later, all fully dressed in her accessories, and then I will be styling the look on someone else in something I've been waiting to do for a very long time. Okay, that was a lot of bleach, believe it or not. I feel like that's the most I've said in a very long time. So I must say already off the top, this box is gorgeous. Other than my convention giveaway last year, I don't think I have anything from Jason Wu, to be completely honest. Now that I think about it. So the stand was beautiful. And this box is honestly stunning. What I love about this box and what I like, I think, a lot with the Jason Wu boxes is they have this very traditional fashion royalty vibe where it just feels like luxury. It feels like I'm buying from a luxury brand, and I love feeling like I'm shopping from a luxury brand because I don't shop from luxury brands. Yes, you peeped that. I got a sneak peek. I did. It's because it doesn't flap. You gotta open up the shoebox. So, you ready? I know I said a lot and it seems very negative, but yeah, whatever. Oh, she's actually really cute in person. Okay, so see here, the really cute stopped really fast, right? So here's my thing. If you look at the doll this way, which you guys are probably like, what are you talking about? I can't see the doll. The lip color looks really beautiful. But once you bring her up, it just, I don't know. It's that other issue where like whatever paint was used, it doesn't photograph well. There you go. So I don't know. She's beautiful though. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it wrong. She is gorgeous. It just, something hasn't clicked for me yet with the Poppy Parker. She does have a beautiful home that she's going to. I feel like a lot of you are really scared as to what's about to happen with her. But don't worry. She has a home already, and it's going to be quite wonderful. I'm excited. I don't know, that went kind of left field right there. I am excited. When I put her in her accessories and dress her, I'll confirm why I have an extra stand in the box. That was a little weird. So, stay posted as soon as I do that. If you're new to my channel, I don't want you to struggle with me, so I'll do the unboxing off camera, and, you know, in like a millisecond, I'll show you what she looks like unboxed. Like now. Okay, so now let's explain the stand. So this was the stand that I just showed in the video that was out of the box. Turns out that the stand inside of the box has Jason Wu Velvet Rouge. And I don't know, I understand it's not the name of the doll that you got, but the stand is perfectly fine. So I guess I have two stands. Well, not really, but anywho, let's move on. I don't think I've ever reacted to a Poppy Parker who had flat feet, to be honest. They are super tiny. I don't know if you can... These flats are not helping her right now because they're making her feet look a lot bigger. They are so tiny. Also, it's a really nice detail inside of the shoe. I think the same fabric that the dress is made of is the base. So the inside of the shoes has little polka dots. I'm saying that and not showing it. That's actually really wrong of me. You can come for me in the comments. It's fine. I apologize for even bringing it up and not showing it. Here are the fabulous shopping bags that I'm obsessed with. Don't ask me why, but miniature fashion bags. Shopping bags are like, I don't know, they just do something for me and I love it. Her holding hands are so cute. The nail on them is fabulous. Here's the dress that I feel like I've heard so much about. I have to be honest, the dress does look a little maternity in a way. But it is what it is. I don't think I have a basic polka dot dress, so, you know, we're okay over here. Now off to her face. I have to not, you know, lie. She looks really good right now on video. But there's just something about this lip and eyes that I'm not a fan of. But it's looking really good in this video. I did just take a photo of her with flash and without flash, depending on the lighting. And yeah, it was a little weird. It was a little weird. But she's a stunning girl nonetheless. And here, I'm turning her around on purpose because, as I mentioned, the coat for me in the promo shots was everything. And now that I have it on camera, there's this beautiful shine to it. Look at it. It's like little diamonds glistening. But I'm going to the back because the detail back here was my favorite. Oh, you can't see it because it's like off her shoulders, but super cute. Super cute. Integrity with the fashion with the fashion and the good construction. I'm giving her a fake little spin for you guys, a fake little spin. All right, so there is Miss Poppy Parker Brunette in all of her glory. And now I'm going to take the pieces that I'm going to keep and I'm going to place them on another girl and show you what she will look like. So things are a little different today. A little different. Eugenia was feeling a little neglected, so she did a little shopping. So guys, from the moment I saw this outfit, I knew I wanted to put it on someone from Fashion Royalty. And I was going through my collection and I was like, you know, I love my Eugenia, but I don't use her as often and she needs a moment. So I was like, perfect. I have this poppy look coming through. She will rock it. And right now she's pretty much rocking everything that I have from Jason Wu. These are the Jason Wu earrings from the convention giveaway last year. And I recently, thankfully to someone on Instagram, just got the Net-a-Porter bag along with the shoes that I couldn't wait to pair off with this look. She is giving you very Park Avenue. I need a shopping break for lunch and I am loving every minute of it because you deserve it, honey. You look fabulous. Yes. Right. Well, there's the look. Redress on someone on Fashion Royalty. Believe it or not, guys, although it was made for Poppy, it wasn't that difficult to put on. It actually, because it is so loose, it was quite easy. And as you can tell, I removed the bow. I am not the biggest fan of bows, and I kind of was kind of leaning more towards a scarf vibe. This is a moment where I wish it wasn't polka dot, but it is what it is, and we made it work. But yeah. Here's Eugenia rocking the look, giving you all of her Jason Wu fabulousness. Get it, girl. Okay, everyone, that wraps today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into this unboxing with me on the beautiful Poppy Parker. I would love to, you know, leave this on a positive note, as I always do. And the reason why that sounded maybe a slight bit negative is I don't know when I'm betting anything. Guys. I'm like, you know, let's wait to see what's next. And a lot of times I'm feeling in the last couple of months, we didn't really know when anything was going to come next. And I think convention had me building up some excitement. Although in the back of my mind, I always kind of left the window open for something to go wrong. Because I said this already in this video, it's 2020. You kind of just have to leave all kind of avenues open. So with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you press that bell notification because at this very moment, I don't know when the next video is. I was really hoping for like, you know, 2 weeks, but now it seems like, I don't know what it seems like. I don't. So we're going to use this as a reminder. If you stayed watching this video this long, go ahead and subscribe. You clearly enjoyed this. And also press the bell notification so you do get notified when I post the next video. But until then, peace and love, guys. Bye.